We are discuss national liberation movement in the colonies. We have discussed China national liberation movement completed. First topic. Second national liberation movement Vietnam. Now discussing Vietnamese national movement yesterday in last class. Today also Vietnamese national movement continuation. Emergence of Vietnamese nationalism. Nationalism started in Vietnam according to youth, according to education, according to modern ideas. The people studying modern education and the people migrated to Japan. The people studied Japan and came from Japan. The people motivation or encourage the nationalism in Vietnam. Here, especially the important leader Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh is the important leader of Vietnam. He is also called the father of Vietnam. The Ho Chi Minh established one of the party, National Liberation Front. NLF party is the major important party. The party is the main role play of the nationalism in Vietnam. Here, the peasants, common people, workers, poor people, the people joined together. The people joined in National Liberation Front. Under leader the Ho Chi Minh leadership, the people against the colonial power, French rulers. The people agitation against the French ruling or French rulers. The people is completely revolutionary method, radical method, aggressive method. The people agitation or the people protest against the French rulers. Under leader Ho Chi Minh is the important leader. The leader is a completely charismatic leader. The leader, so many people joined in the National Liberation Front party. The party principles also support of the Vietnamese, support of the nationalism. Nationalism encouraged, nationalism established, nationalist ideas, socialist ideas, socialist and nationalist ideas adopted of Ho Chi Minh or Nationalist Liberation Front Party. Under party, so many programs launched in Vietnam. Especially the people completely against the French rulers. Against the colonial power. Here, the Ho Chi Minh policies. What are the Ho Chi Minh policies? The disciplined leader and charismatic leader is the important leader of the Vietnam. Here, the Vietnamese support the Vietnam, the small country. The leadership, support the socialism, socialist ideas. Socialist ideas adopted Ho Chi Minh. Socialist ideas, where are the socialist ideas in the world? Here, China and Russia. Russia and China, especially Russia, supported the Vietnam country. Under leadership, the Vietnam, North Vietnam. North Vietnam under controlled by Ho Chi Minh. I mean, Ho Chi Minh is an important revolutionist leader. Under revolutionist, the war between Vietnamese and the French rulers. Ultimately, French rulers defeated by the Ho Chi Minh. North Vietnam is completely under control of the Ho Chi Minh. North Vietnam established the nationalism or independent by the Ho Chi Minh Party, National Liberation Front. The socialist government established in Vietnam, here North Vietnam. Remains South Vietnam there. South Vietnam is completely controlled the monarch. The monarch government ruler is supported of French rulers. The period 1960 to 1975 between duration time, the important thing, the Ho Chi Minh, the nationalist ideas, nationalist movement expansion of the South Vietnam also. South Vietnam. Here the leader, National Liberation Front party, the party ideas spread in South Vietnam. The same time, the French rulers and South Vietnam ruler is completely against the Ho Chi Minh and National Liberation Front leaders. Why? The socialism extend in the world. By the Cold War running in the world. The Cold War between the USA and USSR. After Second World War, Cold War running in the world. Cold War means it is the ideological conflict war. It is the indirect war. USA supported democracy and capitalist ideas. USSR supported of socialist and communist ideas. Here already North Vietnam established socialism. And at the same time, South Vietnam also extended expansion of this socialism. The same America interfered the Vietnamese politics, Vietnamese National Liberation Movement. Why? According to Cold War, the abstract, control of the socialism expand in the world. The main duty, USA main role is expansion of the socialism in the world. Automatically, the America interfered or enter the Vietnam War. Ho Chi Minh main goal, Vietnam unification. Already North Vietnam under control. And South Vietnam also completely annexed North and South Vietnam. Vietnam is completely unification by the Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh goal. Here same time America is completely against the Ho Chi Minh policies. Already Ho Chi Minh support the socialism government established in Vietnam. While America interfere or enter the war. Why? Compulsory the Cold War running in the world. According to Cold War, America interfere the Vietnam War. Enter the Vietnam War. Main aim control or abstract the socialism in the world. Already North Vietnam socialist country. South Vietnam also socialist country attended by the Ho Chi Minh and Ho Chi Minh party. Here America entered the Vietnam War. The war between Vietnam and USA. USA in the world, I mean Vietnam War time, so many new weapons, modern weapons launched or modern weapons used by the USA. One of important weapons, I mean the war between North Vietnam and US, I mean United States of America. Some of the important weapons, orange weapon, orange, napalm weapon, very important weapons. Orange weapon, the weapon is completely killing the plants, I mean forest. Orange weapon main important to killing or destroy the plants, only plants and forest. So many million of gallons of the orange weapon used by the America and the Vietnam. Hectares, thousands hectares of the forest is completely destroyed by the America. Destroyed, I mean orange bomb, orange weapon, orange bomb. The weapon important, the killing forest or plants. Another important bomb, another important weapon, napalm. Napalm is the only killing people, killing by living things. I mean the importance of killing humans, human. Two important weapons used by America in Vietnam War. Why the America is completely, there is no socialism expand in the world. Already North Korea, North Vietnam is a socialist, became a socialist country. Support of Russian thing. Another South Vietnam also became a socialist country. The support of Ho Chi Minh. There is no expand or there is no expansion of the socialism of America. America intervened the war. America intervened the Vietnam War. Some another war, another bombs, another weapons also used by the America in Vietnam War. B-52 bombs, chemical bombs, very dangerous bombs used by the America. Important weapons, bombs, RNG, napalm, B-52s, B-52 bombs, chemical bombs, chemical weapons, so many weapons the war, approximately 7 years war between Vietnam and America. The wartime Vietnamese people, Ho Chi Minh is the courageous programs. I mean the people also courageous. There is no modern weapons used by the Ho Chi Minh. Modern weapons only used in America. Lakhs of people die in the war. Thousands of people injured in the war. There is no modern weapons used by the Ho Chi Minh and Vietnam. Only modern weapons used by the America. Vietnam War is the important war in the world. Why? America direct entered the war. Support of the French rulers, support of the capitalism, support of the democracy, the same against the socialism, against the Russia, against the Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh main goal, Vietnam united North and South Vietnam. Here Ho Chi Minh party, Ho Chi Minh leaders and soldiers also play the good role. This type of courageous. The soldiers, people, even people, students, citizens also enter the war against the America. One of the citizen, one of the soldier, automatically bomber. Already America used the bombs. There is no modern bombs, Ho Chi Minh or in Vietnam. One of the soldiers, one of the bomb there. Here, the war, clearly the dangerous war between Vietnam and America. Finally, even American soldiers, American people, American media, even American citizens, American people also support the Vietnam. The world, all countries, all universities, even India also, Indian people, Indian university students also support the Ho Chi Minh and support the Vietnam. Even in America also, against the American government, American soldiers, American people, automatically the America, immediately drop the war. Immediately the war ended in 1974. Finally, 1975, the Vietnam united, North and South Vietnam united. The Vietnam became a democracy. Vietnam became a socialist country, republic country. The nationalism established in Vietnam under control, the main role played by Ho Chi Minh. The people joined in the movement. The people against the capitalism. The people against the imperialism. The people is against the France colonialism. The people is completely supported by the nationalism. The people against the American and against the French rulers, colony. Colonial rule end 1974. Finally, ultimately 1975, finally North Vietnam and South Vietnam united. Unification of Vietnam. The unification of Vietnam, main credit goes to Ho Chi Minh. Vietnam became a republican and socialist country, became a independent country. Here, in international level, Vietnam War is an important war in the world. Why? A small country, the people also, the warfare and the people also courageous method in the warfare. Vietnam people support totally in the world, all countries, majority countries supported of Vietnam and Ho Chi Minh. While America biggest country, America advanced country, America is the new weapons are in the napalm, thousands of people die in Vietnam. Even American soldiers also. Thousands of soldiers die in Vietnam War. Automatically, while American people against the American government, American rulers. Here, finally, the Vietnam emergence of Vietnam nationalism is completed. Vietnam War, Vietnam became a independent country. Already, China became an independent country in 1945. Vietnam became an independent country in 1974 and 75. North Vietnam and Vietnam united as unification. The credit goes to Ho Chi Minh. Next class, the Nigerian independent movement. Okay, next class. Okay.